Yes, children. Good evening to everyone. We completed application part. Only a few, I think, denomination part we completed. There are few more applications are there in linear equations with a single variable. We'll discuss that part, children. Any doubt in yesterday sessions? Yesterday class, you are unable to understand.
No, ma'am.
Any doubt? No. Good. Children, are you able to see the screen?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Right, right. Yes. I think first question. Sahasra, are you there, Sahasra? Sahasra.
Yes, ma'am.
Please read the first question, Sahasra.
Yes, ma'am. Amina thinks of a number and subtracts 5 by 2 from it. She multiplies the result by 8. The result now obtained is 3 times the number she thought of. What is the number?
Good.
Should I answer?
Yeah, no need, no need. Let me explain first. There are new students are also there. I think who is new children for the class today? There are, I think, one new name I saw. Okay, right. The Amina thinks of a number. Let the number be x, children. First, you have to take the number, whatever the number she thought, that should be taken as. Let the number be x. And here, what the number? Yeah, Amina thinks of a number and subtract 5 by 2 from it. That means, what is that? Subtract 5 by 2 means?
X
Minus
minus
5 by
5
2.
by 2.
Yes, x minus 5 by 2. And what then the result, whatever the result I got, x minus 5 by 2, it is multiplied with what number? It is multiplied with
8
8.
into 8.
The result is 3 times of the
3x.
number. 3 times of the number means 3 into 3x. Very good. Once if you know to write this equation, it is easy to solve. How we supposed to, this is like a bracket outside number is applicable for both the numbers inside the bracket. So you just multiply x into 8 or 8x minus 5 by 2 into 8, which is equal to 3x. Here it is a multiplication of fractions. A fraction with a whole number, 2 ones are, 2 fours are. So it's nothing but 8x minus 20 is equal to 3x. What is, if you transpose to 3x left hand side means the 8x minus 3x, this minus 20 if you send other side, it becomes plus 20. So 8x minus 3x is nothing but 5x is equal to 20. X is equal to how much, children? 20
20 by 5, 4.
5, it's nothing but x is equal to 4. So what is the question? What is the number? The number value is x is
4.
yeah. It is very simple bit. No need of taking that much stress also. So very simple. Once you are ready to write that equation form using your given statements, the answer is you are getting what we are doing, solving simple equations the same way you supposed to solve here. You are get the result as x is equal to 1. Good. Any doubt in this?
No, ma'am, no doubt.
No, ma'am.
Right. Ma'am, which class are you teaching? Yes. Ahna. Ahna. Ahna, are you there in the classroom? Okay. Yes. The next one. Satvik.
Yes, ma'am.
Please read the second bit, Satvik.
Yes, ma'am. A positive. Ma'am, it's gone, ma'am.
Oh, yeah.
A positive number is 5 times another number. If 21 is added to both the numbers, then one of the new number becomes twice the other new number. What are the numbers?
Yes. It's a really wonderful question. You're supposed to think here, children. A positive number is 5 times another number. A positive
Then
number.
5x.
Yes. A positive number is 5 times another number. Let other number be x first, children.
Ma'am, we can take the positive number as x and then the other number as 5x.
No, anything you can take. First, if you take other number x means positive number b is 5x, right? According to the
Yes, ma'am.
conditions
Yes,
only
ma'am.
we suppose. Yes, yes. Nothing to worry. Whatever the things we are taking, the condition only we are going to apply. Why too late? Girls who are joining late, little late. See the second question, children. A positive number is 5 times the another number. Let another number be other number be x. Then the positive number is 5x. Yes or no, children? What is positive number? 5x. If 21,
Yes,
5x.
ma'am.
yes. If 21 is added to both the numbers, let me write the conditions on the screen. Then it is easy for you to
Ma'am,
understand. Yes, yes, ma.
X
ma'am,
plus 21 and 5x plus 21.
5x plus 21 and x plus 21.
Yes, 5x plus 21 and x plus 21. Again, you have one more condition. Once you are getting that,
Ma'am, twice.
yes,
Ma'am,
twice.
twice of the other number.
Other number we have to suppose to write that part means our statement whatever the statements are given we are expressed as an expressions or equations.
Ma'am, can I form the expressions, ma'am?
Exactly. What's your
Ma'am,
name,
can I
Vidya?
tell?
Yes, what's your
Ma'am,
name?
Shrihita.
Srihita.
Ma'am, Shrihita.
First
Ma'am,
step,
can I tell?
yes, yes, Srihita. First
Ma'am,
step is
5x.
no, what is
5x.
Let the other number be x.
yes,
Okay,
very
x.
good. Let the other number is other
X.
X.
number is equal to x. Therefore,
Let the
positive.
positive number be 5x.
Very
And the
good.
positive
Yes. Positive number is
5.
5x.
5x.
X plus
Good.
21, 5 plus 21.
Now 21 is added to both the numbers. So other condition is you're supposed to add 21. Now 21
X plus
added
21.
added
Ma'am, once can you show the question, ma'am?
both. 1 minute, Pallav. Let me share my question.
Okay, ma'am.
Just a minute, I'll share. Nothing, Pallav. The question is given. Shall I read the question? Shall I read
Ma'am,
the question?
I think positive number equal to x and the other
No,
number
no,
equal to
listen.
5.
Positive number is 5 times the other number. 5 times the other number. So you take other number as x. Positive number is
Okay,
5x.
ma'am.
Then now 21 added to both. That means 21 added to both means what you're supposed to get here?
5x
X
plus
plus
21
1, X
and
plus
x plus
21 and
21.
5x plus 21.
5x plus 21.
5x plus 21. Now
20.
other condition. What is the other condition? Let me see once again the question part.
Ma'am, now the numbers are twice the other.
Yes. Let me see the questions. Everyone should read the question part. See, children, once 21 is added to the numbers, then one of the new number become twice the other new number. One of the new number become twice the other number. What are the numbers? The relation between the new numbers are given, children. One is twice the other. One is twice the other. What are the numbers? Come on, let me help now.
Ma'am, can we write like this? 5x plus 21 is equal to 2 into x plus
Yes,
21.
yes. So that
Yes,
means,
ma'am.
yes, 5x.
Ma'am, I wrote it like
Yes,
which I got x is equal to 7.
very good, very good. See, children, one number is twice the other. The whatever the new numbers formed, let me take 5x plus 21 is equal to twice the other x plus 21.
21.
So here you supposed to 5x plus 21, 2 you have to multiply. If you multiply it with the 2 means whatever the numbers inside bracket.
5x plus
2x
21
plus
is equal
40.
to 2x plus
2x plus
42.
42.
Now you have to again transpose the x terms one side and the numerical part to other side. Then
5x minus 2x is equals to 42 minus 21.
Very good. Next, 5x minus 2x is nothing but 3x is equal to
3x is equal to 21.
21.
x is equal to 21 divided by 3 is
Divided by
nothing but
7.
X is equals
7.
to 7.
So x is equal to 7. What are the positive number, children? Original number and positive number. What is the question here?
Ma'am, first number is 20.
7 and
28.
35.
Yes, you're supposed to find both the numbers. The other number is x, that is 7. Positive number is 5 into 7. 5 into 7 is 35. You have to conclude, children. Therefore, the numbers are
Ma'am, but
yes, ma.
ma'am, 35 is not positive number.
35 is a positive number, right?
35 is not positive.
Right, ma. Right. Any doubt in this second one? Please, step by step, you try to understand the question.
Ma'am, once can you explain again?
Yes, I'll
Ma'am,
tell you.
35 is odd number, no, ma'am.
Yes. 1 minute, children. Here the question is a positive number 5 times the other number. We are thinking other number as x. The first step we are taking other number as x. Then positive number is 5 times x according to our conditions. And then 21 is added to both the numbers. That means x plus 21 and 5x plus 21. Yes, hope it is clear till there.
Yes, ma'am.
Sahu. Sahu
Yes,
raised-
ma'am.
Yes, Sahu raised a hand. Any doubt?
No, ma'am, it's clear. I raised for reading the next question.
Okay. Just a minute. A few students having a little. They need one more time explanation part. I'll help them. Then I'll come back with that. Help with that. Yeah.
Okay,
X
ma'am.
plus 21 and 5x plus 21. Once again, you go to your question. After adding 21 to the both the numbers, then one of the new number become twice the other new number. So I'm taking 5x plus 21 is equal to 2 times of x plus 21. What are the numbers? Twice means which number you supposed to multiply, children? Twice means which number you supposed to multiply?
Ma'am.
You have to multiply with
2.
you have to multiply with
2.
2. So 2x plus 2 into 40, 21 is nothing but 42. Then again you are going to apply the transposing technique. All variables you take one side and other side you are taking numbers. So 5x minus 2x is equal to 42 minus 21. 5x minus 2x is 3x, which is equal to 42. If you subtract 21, you are getting 21. So 3x is equal to 21. X is equal to 21 divided by 3. The value of 21 by 3 is 7. So our numbers you have to substitute. The original numbers are one is x, another positive number is 5x. So x means you have to directly write as a 7. In positive number 5 into 7. 5 sevens are 35. You didn't ask one doubt here, Sahu. Why I am taking only 5x plus 21 is equal to 2 multiplied with x plus 21?
Ma'am, because that is means understood only that 5x plus 2 it is 21 it is. So
Huh.
it will obviously come more than
Yeah,
the smaller
generally you are
number, x
thinking.
plus 21.
Suppose you didn't ask. I'm waiting for the students. Why, ma'am? You are taking the number 5x plus 21. If you take 2 into 5x plus 21 is equal to x plus. Why you're supposed to not take? What is the thing we will check now? Let me do that part also. What is happening? We will check now.
Okay, ma'am.
Shall we check, children? Because
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, you're supposed to try the ways. Here, till here it is same. Till here it is same. Coming to here, 2 times of 5x plus 21 is equal to x plus 21. If I'm taking like that, 10x plus
42.
is equal to x plus
42.
21. Here,
X
if you
plus
take
21.
yes, 9x is equal to 21 minus 42. So 9x is equal to 21 minus 21. So x is equal to minus 21 by 9. So minus value. But in our question, what is the given, children? What they gave?
Positive.
Yeah,
Positive.
that's why we are not going to consider this case. That's why we are not going to consider this. We are considering only this part.
And ma'am, like that also 5x minus 21 will only plus 21 will only come more than x plus 21. It is said that
Exactly.
one
That is
number is
generally,
twice
if
the
you
other.
think like that. Exactly correct, Sahu. Very good. If generally, if you think like that, you will get that only. Yes. Good. Next one. Now Sahasra, no Sahasra. I think I asked questions for girls. Now two participants raise the hand. Who is this today?
Ma'am, me.
One is Sahu, another one is three participants raised. Let's
Me.
let me say check. Okay, Sahu, Srihita, Ashrita. Yeah, I will give chance to Ashrita now.
Ma'am, should I read?
1 minute, I'll give the question on the screen, ma. Each and everyone you will get chance, children. But one time, one student, another time, one more student. Like that, we will take randomly. Oh, come on, children. There are more.
The sum of a two-digit number is 9. When we interchange the digits, it is found that the resulting new number is greater than the original number by 27. What is the two-digit number?
It's a wonderful question, children. Sum of two-digit number. Sum of sum of the digits of your two-digit number is 9. When we interchange the digits, it is find that the resulting new number is greater than the original number by 27. What is the two-digit number? Really wonderful question. Frequently, you are testing in competitive examinations also this bit, children. Same variety of bit you are getting in your competitive examinations. I will do that a third bit on the down. Yeah. Let me take here, student. Yes, third one. So units and tens places. Two-digit number means we are getting units place and tens place. You see, generally you have to take any number, children. Suppose 72. 72 means 72 means
7 plus 72.
huh? 70.
72 is two-digit number.
Yeah, 72 is two-digit number. That means units place, tens place.
27.
Yes.
9.
No. Generally, I am taking this is 10 times 70 means 7 into 10 plus 2 into 1. Yes or no, children? Instead of 72.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yeah,
ma'am.
this is the thing.
Yes,
Why?
ma'am.
Because tens units place means you are multiplying with 1. Tens place means you are multiplying with 10.
10.
Now,
10.
yes, now coming to our question, sum of the digits in two-digit number is x. Suppose if I am taking units place as x, what is the other digit, children? Sum should be equal to 9.
Ma'am, 10x.
Other digits shall I
Ma'am,
take
10x.
no,
10x.
no. Shall I take as 9? Sum
Ma'am,
of
10x plus 1.
no.
Ma'am, 10x plus into 9 minus x, ma'am.
Why I should take 9 minus 6?
Yes.
No, you didn't ask any doubt. Why I took 9 minus 6? Yesterday, you see, there are 1 rupee denominations. Total denominations is 160. Total denominations is 160. 1 rupee denomination. Suppose if there are 2 rupees, 1 rupee, 2 rupees denominations you have. Suppose it's some XU. If you total you know that means, suppose you know 2 rupees denominations as 20, you want to find 1 rupee denominations means what you should do? 160 minus 20 you're supposed to do, you're getting 1 rupee denominations. Yes or no? Similarly,
Yes,
here
ma'am.
they are asking about sum of the digits. Sum of the digits, units place digit and tens place digits. If you combine these two digits, you are getting sum should be equal to 9. Suppose if I am taking this digit as x, what is the other digit? 9 minus x. You see children, if you sum up these two also,
Ma'am, I didn't understood.
okay. Suppose 1 minute. Suppose the sum of two numbers is
Ma'am,
wait ma. The sum of two numbers is 9. The sum should be equal to 9. One number is x. One number is x. Other number, suppose this is first number is x, second number you don't know. Other number is sum should be equal to 9. If you want to find other number, how you supposed to find the other number? 9 minus
9 minus x, ma'am.
yes or no? Yes or
Ma'am.
no, Pallav? You
Yes,
understand
ma'am.
why I'm taking 9 minus x here? Tens place?
Yeah, ma'am.
Yeah. Suppose one digit if I'm taking as x, sum of the digits is given as 9. Other digit should be taken as 9 minus x. And also given why I multiplied with the tens place it is, that's why I'm taking as 10 multiplied with 9 minus x. And one more condition, what is the other condition given in our question? If you are not getting, please raise your hand or else I'll help you. If you are not getting, please raise your hand.
no, ma'am, understood now.
Yeah. Next, when I
Ma'am, same kind of sum was there in mock test also.
okay, yeah, exactly. There are when interchange the digits. Yeah, if you interchange the digits, that means if I'm taking here, let me take the interchange of the digits. This become 10x because I'm interchanging a units place digits with 10 place, tens place digit with this is nothing but 1 into 9 minus 6. And now you have to sum up children. This is first one. What is the first one? What is the second one? I'm writing it down. 10 minus or else let me take other screen children because you will understand in this screen neatly. Are you able to see the white screen?
Yes,
Yes.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Units place, tens place children. Conditions. What are the conditions given in our question? Sum of the digits. Conditions are sum of the digits should be sum of the digits in the two digit number should be equal to 9. So suppose if I'm taking units place as x, tens place is 9 minus x. 9 minus x. But it is in tens place, that's why I multiplied with 10. Our question again, what are other condition? If you interchange the digits, interchange the digits. So if I'm interchanging the digits, this x becomes this tens place, that means 10x.
10x and 9 minus x.
And this
9
becomes
minus
here
x.
9 minus x. Why only 9 minus x? Because units place, if you take with 1 also, you are getting the same. Now you have
Yes,
to,
ma'am.
yes, now you have to make the equations children. 10 into 9 minus x plus x is one equation. Other one is interchanging after 10x plus 9 minus x is the second one. You just simplify these two. What you are getting children? 10 is bracket outside. Bracket outside number is applicable for both the numbers inside the bracket.
90 minus 9
90 minus 10x.
minus
10x
10x
plus x is
10x.
plus 1.
and this down one how much children? 10x minus x plus 9. If you simplify
9.
the upper one,
9x
uh,
plus 9.
minus 10x plus x together how much children?
90 minus 11.
This one,
9x.
yeah, 10 log 10 minus 1, 10x minus x means this is
9x.
9x plus 9. And in our question, let me check the question. Till here it is over. Let me go with the question. There are one more condition is given in your question.
The difference between the two is 27, ma'am.
So, if you interchange the digits, okay, if you interchange the digits, it is fine. The resulting new number is greater than the original number. The resulting new number is greater than the original number by 27. That means we can subtract those two. Yes or no, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
If
ma'am.
you interchange the digit, it is find that resulting new number is greater than the original number by 27.
27.
Yes. Now, which is which minus which one we supposed to take? Second equation. This is second one. This is first one. So the difference between these two, 2 minus 1 is nothing but how much it is given? 27. So difference between 2 minus 9x plus 9 minus bracket
90.
90 minus 9x is equal to 27.
Ma'am, 9x minus 9x will get cut.
No, 9x plus 9. It is subtraction. The signs are changed. Whatever the bracket inside, it's become minus 90 plus 9x is equal to 27. You see 9x plus 9x together. 9x plus 9x is
18x.
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 Here
Minus 81.
minus 81 is equal to
18.
how much, children? 27. Now
27.
18x is equal to, if you transpose this minus to other side, it becomes plus
Plus
27
81.
plus 81. 18x is equal to
108.
108. Yes, we will get in 18 table 108
X.
to 8, which is equal to how many times? 6 times. Now you come to the original number, children. What are the numbers? Units place and tens place. Units place is x. Tens place is 9 minus x. 9 minus x means 9
3.
minus 6. 9 minus 6 and 6. This is 36. 36 is the our
60.
number. Children, any doubt in this? Children, any doubt in this? Because very important. If you have doubt, you just please put a word. I'll help you once again.
Ma'am, how did we get the 36? Ma'am, I understood till 108 by 8
6.
is equal to 6 times.
Very good. Yes, here
Ma'am,
we are
it will be
taking.
108 upon 18, no?
No, that is okay. Till here, he is asking about here. This part 36, how you get. Because our numbers are, what is our original number? We are taking as number 9 minus x and x. Why? Because sum of the digits should be equal to 9. That's why units place we are taking as x, and tens place we are taking as 9 minus x. Yes or no, my dear?
Yes, ma'am.
So it's 9 minus x means 9 minus 6, it is 3. Units place as usual x. That's why it is 36. Please try to solve the sum, children.
Screenshot.
Yes. Who is that? Who wants screenshot, children? Okay. Doubt means please raise your hand or else put personally IDK. What is IDK?
I don't know.
I
I
don't know.
don't know.
Yes, you put personal chart. I'll help you, children. And coming to the next one.
Ma'am, then we can find out the numbers by the formula which we took in the starting, no?
Yes, yes, we can. Because each and every question is different. You see, children, there are different logics. So concept is same. Concept is we are solving simple equations only. But everywhere, every question is unique way they are giving. See the next one, third one is over, children. Coming to the fourth one.
Ma'am, 1 second, show that, sir.
Okay. Just a minute. No, children, try to understand. No need of running race in the classroom. Here we are coming for learning the things. No need of scare, ma'am. No need of feel also, because we have coming here for learning, not for whatever the doubt you have. You just put a word. I'll help you. Once again, I'll repeat also. What is that? Yeah.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, can you please show the question?
1 minute, Sahu. Let her complete the part.
Ma'am, I've took the screenshot.
Okay, right. Try to understand, ma'am. Try to understand. And the fourth bit is really wonderful question. Uh, Really so wonderful bit it is. See, children, what is the fourth one? Just a minute. Srihita, please read the fourth bit, Srihita.
Yes, ma'am. One of the two digits of a two-digit number is 3 times the other digit. If you interchange the digits of this two-digit number and add the resulting number to the original number, you get 88. What is the original number?
Hmm. What are the conditions? First, you check your conditions. What are the different conditions is given? There are original number and reversing numbers. Yes or no, children? One of the two digit number of one of the two digits of a two digit number. One of the two digits of a two digit number is 3 times the other digit. Suppose if you take one digit as a, other digit is how much?
10 into brackets 3a.
Yes.
10.
Yeah, 10 into 3. Yeah, that's okay, because the two digits means you're taking. Okay, good. Let me write that part also on the screen. And that is first question, first condition. And coming to the second one, if you interchange the digits, interchange means units place become tens place become units place of two-digit number, and added the resulting number to the original number, you are getting 88. Yes. Whatever the conditions given, we will write first on the screen.
Ma'am,
Step
10 into 3a becomes 30a.
13A.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes. Good. So suppose you have to think about the numbers. So what is the condition? First condition is given. Conditions you have to take, children. First condition is one digit. One of the two digits of a two-digit number. One of the two digits of a two-digit number is 3 times the other digit. Suppose units place, tens place, you think, children.
Ma'am means x and 10x. So,
No, 10, not only 10. This is 3 times, other digit is 3 times.
Ma'am,
yes, 10
10x
into
plus
3x.
ma'am 10x plus 3x.
Yes. Now you check that 10x, 10 threes are how much, children? 10 into 3.
30.
30x
30.
plus 30.
30x plus x.
38 plus x.
Yes, 30x plus x. 30x plus x is, it is nothing but 31.
31x.
Now other condition is, this is first case. Second case, if you interchange the digits. If you interchange the digits means, what is the happening, children? X becomes Tens place.
10x.
10 into x. Yes or no? This become
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
3x.
3x.
Now, what are the digits?
Ma'am,
10x plus 3x. Yes, ma. Who is that? 30.
ma'am, I am Vitesh.
No, Jivitesh, please, no. Any doubt?
Ma'am, yes, ma'am, I have my doubt, ma'am.
Yes. Where, Nana?
Ma'am, in starting you wrote 30x plus x equal to 30x square, na, ma'am.
No, x square కదా నాన్న అడిషన్ నాన్న అది x ప్లస్ లో ఇక్కడ చూడు లెట్ మీ చెక్ హియర్ నో నంబర్ మీన్స్ వాట్ ఈస్ ద నంబర్ నో నంబర్ మీన్స్ ఏమున్నట్టు నాన్న ఇక్కడ
1, ma'am.
ఇక్కడ ఏముంది 30 yes
30,
or no
ma'am.
like decimal like terms we are adding here 30 plus 1 is
Yes, ma'am.
30 plus 1 is
31, ma'am. 31.
అర్థమైందమ్మా జివితేష్
Yes, ma'am.
good now this is the two numbers we are getting and again one more condition is given original number we are getting as 13x suppose this if you take as a original number it is 13x if you resulting whenever we are resulting interchanging that number is 31 what is the condition is given if you sum up these two digits if you sum up these two what is the result
31x plus 13x is equals to 88.
44x
13x plus 31x is equal to 88. They gave the condition
44.
40.
44x. 44x is equal to 88.
X equal to 2.
X is equal to 2.
X is equal to 44. 1 44 2s are x is equal to 2. Good.
2.
Why I'm
Ma'am.
this means it is given in your given condition. This is given condition in your question. This is given condition in your question. What is the given condition? Let me read the. If we add resulting number to the original number, we are getting 88. That's why 13x plus 31x is equal to 88. Now you are getting x value as 88. What are the numbers? You're supposed to come here again. What are the numbers? Now you have to substitute. Tens place and units place. Tens place is x, units place is 3x. Suppose this is given, you are getting x value as 2. 3 into 2, how much, Nana?
6.
6
So our
Six,
number
sir.
may be it is 62 or we are interchanging that also you can.
26.
Ma'am, 26.
Yes, this is 3x and x. 3x and x means 3 into 2. This is 2. 2 6 26.
Ma'am,
Either
the call is gonna
what-
end in 1 minute.
Okay.
Ma'am, 62.
Yes, you should rejoin children once again.